Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Alexa on your Fitbit Versa 4. To begin, make sure your Versa 4 is paired with the Fitbit app on your smartphone. Next, open the Fitbit app and navigate to your device settings. You'll find an option to set up Amazon Alexa. Tap this, and you'll be prompted to log in with your Amazon account. This simple process links your accounts, enabling voice commands directly from your wrist. It's a quick setup, taking just a couple of minutes. Once activated, using Alexa is straightforward. Simply press and hold the button on the left side of your Versa 4 until you see the Alexa logo appear. Then speak your command clearly. You can ask for the current weather, set a timer for your workout, or even control smart home devices like your lights. Remember, while powerful, Alexa on your Versa 4 doesn't support making calls or playing music directly from the watch. It's designed for quick, convenient voice assistance. Personalizing your Alexa experience on the Versa 4 is easy. Open the Fitbit app, go to your device settings and select Alexa. Here, you can change Alexa's language to one of several supported options. You can also manage notification settings, deciding how Alexa alerts you. To expand its capabilities, link more smart home devices through the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. This allows you to control a wider range of devices directly from your wrist, making your smart home even more accessible. If you encounter issues with Alexa, don't worry, there are simple fixes. First, ensure your Versa 4 has a strong Bluetooth connection to your phone. Also, verify your phone has an active internet connection, as Alexa requires it. Sometimes, restarting both your phone and watch can resolve minor glitches. For best results, speak clearly and directly into the microphone on your Versa 4. Keeping the Fitbit app running in the background on your phone also helps maintain a consistent connection for Alexa's services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.